Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Python on your Windows 11 computer. As initial step, you need to check is Python already installed on your computer. By that, go to search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. In here you need to type python space dash dash version. Hit enter. You can see Python was not found, and again you need to type pip space dash dash version. Pip also not recognized. That means pip is a Python package manager. It is by default comes with Python. So close this one, open your browser. In the address bar type python download, hit enter. Go to the first option, official Python website. You can see the latest version is 3.13. You can download old version. Just go to downloads, choose your operating system, tap on Windows. Now if you using Windows, tap on Windows or Mac. Scroll down and you can see all the old version from here. But in this tutorial I am going to download latest version. Just tap on download option. You can see it is downloading right now. Once it is downloaded, go to the download location. In my case it is in the downloads. Double tap on it. You can just tap on install now, or you can make sure to add Python to exe path. Tick this one and tap on use admin privileges. And you can customize the installation. You can customize other things like if you don't need to documentation, just untick this. Don't untick the pip because it is necessary. And yes, after your changes you can just tap on next, and you can tick the install Python 3.3 for all users and other things also. Then after just tap on install. But in this case I am going to use direct installation without changing anything. Just tap on it, tap on yes on the pop-up menu, wait for the installation completed. Okay, you can see now setup is successful. Just tap on close, again close this one. Now let's see the Python is successfully installed or not. Again go to search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it and tap on run as administrator. Now again type python space dash dash version, hit enter. You can see now it is showing the Python version. And again check the Python package manager, pip dash dash version. Alright, you can see both applications are successfully installed. So this is how you can install Python on your Windows 11. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.